Why marketing agencies should keep their books on the accrual basis of accounting. If you run a marketing agency and you're keeping your books on the cash method of accounting, you might not actually be seeing the true financial picture of your business. That can make it much harder to understand your real profitability. In this video, I'm going to explain why most marketing agencies should keep their books on the accrual basis of accounting and how it can give you a much better financial insight into your agency. Hi, I'm Craig Cody. I'm a CPA, and I help agency owners understand tax strategies, accounting methods, and business financials so they can keep more of what they make. Today, we're talking about why marketing agencies should keep their books on the accrual basis of accounting and why it's often the best way to manage and grow your agency. Cash versus accrual. Let's quickly break down the difference. With the cash method, income is recognized when the money is received and expenses are recorded when they're paid. With the accrual method, income is recognized when it's earned, meaning the services are performed, and expenses are recorded when they're incurred, regardless of when they're paid or the cash moves. Most businesses start with the cash method because it's simple. But as your agency grows, that simplicity can actually make your financial reports less accurate. Accrual shows true profitability. Marketing agencies often work on retainers, campaigns, and projects that stretch across multiple weeks or months. And that's where the accrual method becomes extremely valuable. For example, you may invoice a client for a campaign in 1 month, but the work and the expenses related to that campaign happen in the following month. With the cash method, the income might show up in one period and the expenses in another. That can make 1 month look extremely profitable and the next month look like you lost money. With accrual basis accounting, revenue and expenses are matched to the period when the work actually happens, the service is performed. This gives you a much more accurate view of your agency's true profitability. Better financial decision making. Another big advantage of accrual accounting is better decision making. When your financial statements accurately reflect the work being performed, you can better understand which clients are profitable, which campaigns are actually making you money, your true operating margins. Without accrual accounting, these numbers can be distorted by the timing of when payments happen, and that makes it harder to run your agency strategically. Accrual basis accounting also helps you better understand your revenue pipeline, because you can clearly see outstanding invoices, work that has been completed but not paid, revenue that has been earned in that current period and not received. For agencies that rely on retainers or ongoing marketing campaigns, this visibility is incredibly important. It helps you manage growth and plan for the future with much greater confidence. When accrual accounting makes the most sense. Accrual accounting usually makes the most sense for marketing agencies when you work on retainers, you manage campaigns that run over multiple months, you invoice clients before or after the work is completed, or you want clearer financial reporting to help manage the business. In these situations, accrual basis gives you a much better understanding of your agency's financial performance. One important thing to know is that your bookkeeping method and your tax filing method don't always have to be the same. Many agencies keep their books on the accrual basis for management purposes while filing their taxes on the cash method to help with their tax planning and reduce their tax liability on money that's not collected. That combination can often provide the best balance between financial clarity and tax efficiency. If you run a marketing agency and want better financial visibility and smarter tax strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We regularly share tips on tax planning, accounting strategies, and financial management for agency owners. If your agency is currently using the cash method for bookkeeping, let me know in the comments below.